And mga kamams, pinaupo ko lang siya dito para hindi siya masyadong galaw ng galaw. Kasi dati, lagi ko lang siyang sinusundan kung saan siya magpunta. And, you know, it's so hard. So, ayan. Nahati ko ng kanyang hairdo. At yan ang aking suklay na ginagamit. Actually, may isa pa akong brush eh. Kasi ito is more on pag hiwa ng buhok. So, ngayon, I know what do you want? 2 or just 1? Anything? You're wearing purple. You don't want? Look, she looks so cute like that. You look so adorable, Lila. You look like Mama. Do you look like Mama or Dada? I don't know. I think you look like Dada. What happened? We can't do that? Ito na lang. Buo na lang. Sige. 1 coconut. So, actually, ginagawa ko lang to kasi yung buhok ni Nyla lagi napupunta sa mata niya. So, I think, hindi, you know, if you have hair in your eyes, that's not comfortable. Kasi syempre, kung kayo matusok ng, diba? Hindi mahigpit yung pagkakahawa ko, medyo dramatic lang siya, okay? It's not that. I think she just don't like me touching her hair. See, wala pa nga eh. Yeah. Wala pa nga eh. Ito. Ayan. We're done. Ayan na. Done na. Is that even tight? Ayaw niya lang pinapakailaman siya. She just don't wanna be bothered. But look at that cutie patootie. So cute, Nyla. Look at your hair. And wala nang nakaharang-harang sa kanyang mata. Okay. Say bye, guys. Bye.